Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a 2012 Jeep Liberty. And we're gonna do the thermostat. I'm gonna show you how to change it. All right, guys. So the thermostat lives right there. Let me see if you can see it. Hold on. Let me see if I can get a flashlight. Where that flashlight is at. That's where the thermostat lives. So, I'm using the 516 to take it out. So hold on. Let me get that loosened off. It's two. Let me get that loosened off. All right. So I unloosen the bolts. Unloosen the bolts. The top one's right here, and this is the bottom one. I'm just gonna take this last one off. That's the bolt here. And now we just go grab it and shake it and see what mess we make. Let's see if we can do it without making a mess. Let's leave it like that. There we go. All right. All right. This is a new thermostat. Let's see if I can find you a part. And make sure you got the weepy hole on top. So it's going to sit in the thermostat housing like this. So this got to be on top, that little hole. This isn't more important. You can't have it in the bottom. It has to be on top like this when you're installing it. Put this back right quick. We just got to wait for this to finish draining out. Do it by hand. Try by hand. Be careful. Watch your face, just in case it. Get it with the. I just don't got the angle. The angle. Got it.
You got a real good one too. The minute I stuck the camera in there, that's when you yanked the shit out. Oh,
get the close up.
You got it for sure. And the water drips and everything.
Get close up.
Okay.
I don't know if the thermostat fell out. It fell out?
How you got it? I didn't hear it.
Yeah, it must have fell out. It must have been in up here.
Damn, I didn't want to watch
Right
it. You got it?
Yeah.
That's the old thermostat.
Fire. All right. So make sure the old gasket is off. Look, you don't want a double gasket.
Actually,
You want.
expand like that.
Okay, let me clean around it first. Hold on.
Gasket a little bit dirty.
Yeah.
Gasket a little bit dirty. Gasket really dirty, my man.
All right. So this is the new one. This is the good one. Like I said, make sure you keep this little dot up. All right. So gasket, thermostat time. Like that. All right. So let's see if I can put it. Get my two hands in here. There we go. Make sure it's up. There we go. Now we just need the 2 screws. I'm gonna start with the hardest one first. It's the top one. I'm just finger tighten it a little bit. It can get me close to the gold. What's the other one right here? All right. This one is a little weird, so I'm gonna have to turn my body this way. Let's see if I could.
That's the only way I would do it.
Right?
Face first. I'm like, wow, that's crazy.
Sorry.
Take that oil out. I mean, the antifreeze out. Get it out the way.
Yeah, get it out the way.
We need to inspect this later. So we
That's dirty. Look at it. Oh.
That's mine. It's so hot that the light itself is hot. There's steam coming out of it. Or it could be this is how cold as the garage is. Yo, I can't believe that water's dirty.
There you go.
Should have like chocolate milk, man.
Yeah. You got a funnel?
Yes, I do. Right there.
I walk by it.
We are using peak North American vehicles. Jeep Liberty. And what else it says?
That's it. That's all you need. Nah, imagine. Yeah. I just no. That I don't need that. See, we good down there. No leak. Any leaks? Huh?
No, nothing. That's just the ice that was on. And any water you see today is because in New York it is snowing. So it just stopped.
So we don't have the proper funnel. Usually, you get a funnel that clicks on here, and you can keep on filling it up and then get all the bubbles out. You gotta get all the bubbles out. But we didn't. I just spilled some. You see all that bubble? You gotta be bubble free. All right.
Just a little bit of bubble.
Just a little bit of bubble left. You just gotta get the air out the system. It's dropping. Let me shine a light on it. Hold on. See? It's dropping. And after that, we put the cap on and call it a day. Put the cap on real quick. Make sure the heat, let's see how we get. Let's give it a little rev. Yeah, let's get in there.
Heater's on.
All right, you can go for a spin around the block just to make sure. And we're going to top it off. And we call this as a fix. If you like the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button. Also, that's it for this. That's it. This is it for this video. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.